In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate first name, middle name, and last name in Excel using formula. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, select the full name you have, right-click on it, click on Copy. Now, just go to the first name column and then paste it there. After you paste it there, just make sure the column is fit to width. As you can see, just go ahead at the top right, click on Format, and click on Auto Fit Column Width. Now, after that, go ahead, select the full names, and go to the top and left click at the Data tab that's located at the top. And now just go ahead, click on Text to Columns, make sure it's on Delimited, as you can see. And now after that, just go ahead, click on Next, and after you click on it, just go ahead, click on Space. Thus, if the names are divided by space or by comma, just choose comma or any other one you want. Click on Next, and then click on Finish. And now you can see that the full name is separated to first name, middle name, and last name. As you can see at the left, these are the full names, and you can see at the right, they have been separated correctly. So that was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.